Now we will learn about a ad level management. And one more thing, for example, if you like to change any of the ad group, if you like to disable or if you like to pause, you can select that. Again, you can say here paused, here edit, enable, pause or remove. You can delete the any of the ad group, or you can pause, or you can enable in the sense activate. Pause is nothing but stop, remove is nothing but permanently deleting that particular ad group from that particular campaign. By selecting this, we can do that one also. The next it will comes about analyzing ads. Okay, analyzing ads. On left hand side here we'll select ads. Okay, ads and extension. Right now we have been created a two ads. One is a search ad which belongs to the website traffic search campaign. Ad group is the heroine. The one more campaign, in one more campaign we have been created a skippable ad. Okay, in a YouTube, for a YouTube. And that data also here similar, all the data are same. Everywhere we are analyzing a conversion rate, clicks, as well as a cost and average cost. Okay, based on that we are taking a further actions, like running a ads are nothing but a iterative process. Like every first time itself we will not be come to know that uh, which type of the ad to be run for my product. By looking at trial and error, we will come to know that which kind of ads are popular in my category, which will suitable for me, so that I will try to run such ad in a future date. For that reason, we have to keep a short period of time and a shorter budget on initial days, and create all type of the ads, and we have to run the ads. Okay, now for example, if you like to add one more ad that is related to bicycle. Okay, for that what we can do, we can select here create ad. Create ad. Here it is asking which type of the ad you would like to create. Would you like to create a video ad, or a responsive display ad, or a responsive search ad, or call out call ad. Call ad is nothing but a whenever the directly customer can call from by click on that particular button. Okay, we say that a responsive search ad we would like to, okay, we would like to create. In which one you would like to campaign is nothing but a search campaign only, not video campaign. It is search campaign, that is a campaign selected. Which ad group, because we are creating a ad on a bicycle, so we will be selecting a ad group as a bicycle search. Okay, once we have been selected those two, then we have to paste the URL. We have to paste the URL. Then again display, you can select bicycle. Okay, then headline you can give like best electric bicycle, most efficient, power saving, best in market. Like this we can give the some of the keywords should be included in your heading. Okay, then you can see here average, it is strength, it will be given. And then it comes to the ad description. We can give the descriptions like um, we are manufacturer of best quality electric bicycle at lower cost in market. Like this one. Second one, best in India with rank 2 in market with. Like this we can give the second description. Okay, so that your ad will be strength will be improved. Okay, like this we can create a ad. We can save ad. Okay, so that it will be ad will be that additional ad will be added in a campaign bicycle ad group. Again, you can check their performance once you start running that particular ad. Once you start running, you can check the performance of this particular ad. Like this, you can create a n number of the ads in different ad group and different campaign. Okay, different campaign and different ad group. For the hair oil itself, one more ad you can create. For one more video ad also you can create. For bicycle also two more video ad or two more website traffic ad you can create. Okay, like this you can create a n number of the ads. You can create a n number of the ads. If you like to, again, if you like to pause any of the ads, you can select that particular ad, go to edit and pause, remove or enable. Okay, you can manage the ad by selecting this particular ads. The one more thing here, extension. Okay, one more thing here we have to learn, extension. Extensions are nothing but, for example, here this is nothing but an extension. These are the extensions. Here these are the extensions, you have a links here. Okay, these are the extensions. Okay, and if you go to any type of the ad, this is nothing but a one more extension. This is a call extension. Okay, you have been given a number, directly they will come to know that to whom you have to call. Okay, if you like to know more about which type of the things I would like to learn about, okay, these things will be used in a extensions. Here when you are adding a extension, here when you say add extension, site link extension, call out extension is there. Site link extension is nothing but these are the site link extension. You are giving a additional pages. Okay, that is a site link extension. Call out extension is nothing but a, these are the call out extensions. These are the call out extensions in a ad. Additional pages you are writing like this. If you are writing like this, it will be site link. And a structured snippet extension, again one more type of the extension it is. It will be here it is not there. Like this it will be, like this it will be there. Website everything will be given. Call extension, call extension is nothing but displaying a number, contact number or email id. And a lead from extension, if someone click on your extension, their contact details you can able to extract. Okay, location extension, like you can tell them here at the bottom, you can tell them which are the other location also we are operating. Okay, affiliate location is nothing but if you are doing affiliate market, then you can use this one. And price extension for the shopping ad, this is nothing but a price extension. For the shopping ad you already given, these are the price extensions, special offer, these things you have been given. Okay, app extension is nothing but with the you will be giving a app link from where they can download the app. Okay, like this you can create any type of the extension for your ad. Call extension, you can create an extension for your entire account or campaign basis or ad group basis. For a different ad you can different ad group, different extension also you can give. Okay, you can search for that particular ad, this particular ad group for a bicycle, search ad. Okay, what kind of extension I need to add here, India. Okay, then we have to give the phone number. We have to give phone number. Like this we have to give phone number. So this extension will be added to your ad. Okay, so this way we can save 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, these type of the extensions you can add to your all the you can add it to your here location wise extension has been added. Similarly, call extension has been added. Like this you can create a different type of the extension for your different ads and ad groups. Okay, this is about how can we add these extensions in a ads and extension section.